Hi everyone, my name is teacher Ilona Smith. Welcome to my channel. So today's video, it's going to look very different than the other videos that you've seen. Today, we're looking at management and leadership, and we're going to do a quiz. So in today's video, I have compiled a quiz that you can answer. It's going to pop up the question and then the answer, and it gives you a nice explanation as to why that is the correct answer. So today's quiz is compiled of 12 questions. So please, I hope you enjoy the quiz, and please jot down below and let me know and comment how much you got for this quiz. I hope you guys enjoy it, and all the best of luck for the exams coming up. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you'd like to see more content like this, as I've just discovered how to make quizzes and it's so much fun to create them. Let me know what chapter you're looking for next. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please like the video and please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.